Your elevator just dropped you into complete darkness between floors, and most people immediately make the one mistake that could kill them. They try to force open the doors. This creates a deadly fall risk into the elevator shaft. Here's what actually saves lives. First, press every button, including the emergency call button. Sometimes elevators just need a system reset. If that fails, use the emergency phone immediately. Stay exactly where you are in the center of the elevator car. Never attempt to climb out through ceiling panels or pry doors open. Make noise every 10 minutes by banging on the walls. This conserves your energy while maximizing rescue chances. Sit down to reduce strain and control your breathing. Elevators have ventilation systems, so you won't run out of air. If you have cell service, call for help, but save your battery. Most elevator emergencies resolve within 2 hours. Building maintenance or emergency services will locate you using the elevator's tracking system. Keep your shoes on in case you need to walk on debris. Stay hydrated if you have water, but don't panic about food. Your body can handle several hours without eating. The biggest threat isn't mechanical failure or suffocation. It's making impulsive decisions driven by claustrophobia. People have fallen down elevator shafts trying to escape perfectly safe elevator cars. Professional rescue teams have specialized equipment to safely extract you. Your job is simply to wait patiently and stay put. Every year, thousands of people get trapped in elevators, and virtually all are rescued safely by following these exact steps.